Hello, my name is Birkett. I'm the course leader for the BA Fine Art course here at University Centre Hastings. I've been here for 3 years, and the thing I really love about teaching here is the opportunity I have to meet people from all walks of life at completely different stages of their career who have that passion and an interest to study art and to be part of a really vibrant creative community both within and without the institution. The course is a 3-year course. We are based here in the heart of Hastings, right next to the station, within a short walk from the seafront, which is really always inspiring. So within those 3 years, you'll be testing yourself and challenging yourself in a really, really supportive environment. So in your first year, you'll be learning a huge variety of technical skills, such as painting, photography, moving image, sculpture, installation, ceramics, should you wish glass as well. We have incredible facilities here at Hastings, which we're very, very fortunate to be able to use so frequently. And because we do tend to work with smaller cohorts, we're very much able to tailor your teaching experience to what you want to be able to achieve. Should you wish to pursue ceramics, for example, in a fine art course, that's a really exciting opportunity that we're able to help you develop here. So in your first year, there's a real emphasis on you developing your own practice, you beginning to acquire new skills and pursue what really, really interests you, that you're passionate about. You're also expected to write an essay, which will be part of your architectural studies series of lectures, responding to the lecture series and also working with key tutors to help you with writing skills, and preparing for your second year. So your second year will entail a greater emphasis on professionalism. So as well as pursuing a really personalised and exciting studio practice, you'll also be studying curation and communication, which is where you'll be able to put on an exhibition locally or online at the moment or further afield, working with artists whose work you really admire and being able to take a key lead as a curator. You'll also be able to undertake work experience, again completely self-directed, so selecting an opportunity which is really exciting and relevant to what you'd like to do, and using these skills and these new experiences to forge new contacts, to begin to open up a new network of people and organisations that you might wish to work with, to pursue a viable and exciting career at the end of your 3 years with us.
And the thing that I've loved most about coming here is the really vibrant art ecology in the local area. I travel in each day. I'm not from here, so it was really refreshing to find such an interesting art scene that isn't in London, and something that's a bit more hands-on and something that I found much easier and more accessible to get into. I'm hoping to establish my own practice better and be able to leave here with some kind of idea of the sort of avenue of artwork that I'd like to pursue as an artist in the local area. I really want to go on to do a master's in art writing, and I would love to then go on to use that in a gallery setting and work with curators.
So we're really fortunate here that our key teaching team are all professionals in their field, professional gallery owners, professional artists, and people who are able to really be passionate about wanting to share their experience and skills with the students here, and that's something that we really maintain. There's a very strong ethos of pastoral care here at the college, which we all strive to maintain. So please know that if you would like to study with us, or if you'd like to find out a bit more about study with us, then that's really core to our ethos here.
I think that you should come and study here because you get to meet such a range of people from all ages and walks of life, and the insight that some of the older students have is really invaluable, especially their knowledge of art history and the kind of more traditional rhetoric that you might otherwise miss in a contemporary art course.